Google Vids has been adding so many new features lately, it's hard to keep up. Hi, Gabriela Laszlo here from KloudGem. In today's video, we are exploring custom avatars. This comes in handy because I happen to have a cold, so I'm more than happy to hand over the microphone to an AI colleague today.
Google has introduced a number of avatars, both realistic and cartoon, into Google Vids, but imagine if everyone were using the same avatars. The internet would become a boring place. Enter custom avatars. Hi, my name is Gemma. I am a custom avatar. Gabriela created me. I am filling in for her today here. In the avatar section of Google Vids, now you will see a place where you can create an avatar, either by picking a starting avatar and then customizing it, or by describing an avatar and letting Google dream it up for you. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to get notifications when a new video goes up on the KloudGem channel, subscribe. And as always, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us through our website, www.cloudgem.com. Thanks for watching. Until next time.